Double air compressor. See if I'm gonna get anything. Okay, it's working, y'all. Gotta watch these bees. There's a lot of them trying to sting me. So let me get these tires aired up. Gotta get my tire gauge. I'm gonna eyeball it right now. No leaks. That's how you put a hose together. If you just don't feel like going to spend $26 to $30 for a hose. You got old stuff laying around, just grab you something. Hey, just try it. Don't hurt to try. Get the screw. Don't need no flats. Still hold, we got good air. Still around a little over 75 pounds. 75 pounds of pressure. Still hold, no leaks. This is what I put together to make work. It can be done. It can be done.